Hello, this is George with Holistic Trader Academy, and I'm looking to see if we can tape a demonstration or demonstrate a trade on the Harmony system. Today is Friday the 4th, around 9 o'clock, 9:30, and we're looking to see if we can catch a trade. Typically around this time you'll see a counter trend trades happening in the market based on the 8 to 9 o'clock range. I'm seeing some good price action coming in here. The only problem is a couple of things. Okay, so what are we looking at here? I have multiple charts, a 4 NT candle, a 6 NT, and a 12 NT, and we're looking at a Swift Harmony, full Harmony setup. So what does a Swift Harmony mean to begin with, if you're not familiar with the way I trade? Swift Harmony is when a small block of volume step in, and that volume is in alignment with how the price is behaving. There's an algorithm that we built that simplify that process and visually demonstrate it. Now also, whenever you have that Swift Harmony in alignment with full Harmony, and full Harmony is saying that big blocks of volume stepping in alignment as well, then that will define an environment where I should be interested into trading in that direction. And in addition to that, there's two other factors. One of them is the shadow trader, which is basically an indicator strategy that will measure the expansion of price. So whenever you have an expansion of price along with the condition of full and Swift, then that usually generates a great deal of explosive price action. Okay, then we add one little definer or odds enhancer to that, is whenever you have the aura clouds in that direction as well. So I'm just going to sit here, and hopefully this video is not going to be a long one, but I'm looking for a trade. So I'm going to sit here and see if around 9:30 we can get us a trade triggered here. Okay. All right. I may pause the video if this is going to take a while, and then resume it when I get very close to a signal. But just needed to define to you what we're kind of looking for. So part of the trading and learning is to actually listen to the thinking process of the trader. So I mean, what am I looking at? What am I seeing? I'm seeing here that we came out of a zone where price was not really exploding. It's just basically meandering within a very tight range. So that just gets me to think, okay, well, I shouldn't be excited, I shouldn't be interested, I should be just sitting here and watching for the price till we get a level that of interest. You hear me pause when I'm talking here because I'm just kind of looking and seeing how that price tick by tick is behaving. The 12 NT, we have a three-way alignment in that, so that tells me where, you know, the long conditions still exist, but there's conflict between it and the 6 NT Renko. So that gives me a pause, and I'm going to sit here and wait for a better price action. Only try to take the most premium setups, and my objective is if I can take 100 premium setups, what would my result be? If your system works, then you should have a positive expectancy and an edge, and that edge will show itself within a sample of 100 trades. So I'm sitting here waiting, watching, listening, breathing. Now we have a 3 candle jump into this level. Now I have the Swift Harmony, and I have the expansion in price, and I have the aura cloud shifting right now. So this may be a good spot
Order
to get
pending.
in. Now if I had, oh, here we go, I gotta get in.
Order filled.
Okay, we got in at 50. So 50. Now what am I looking for as far as risk and add? a risk. If I break 60, which is 10 tick above this, then I'm pretty much expecting a price reversal and this not working. I don't need to spend too much time to figure out if this is going to work or not. Yeah, so 53, 56. So we make it stop. Maybe this is going to be a stop demonstration trade. Let's see how that works. My maximum amount that I'll risk on a trade is going to be 20 ticks. Through a lot of research on this, I found 20 ticks to work the most. 25 and 30 ticks seems to be too much for this system, and also if you start trading 10 ticks and lower, your profitability decreases significantly. So 20 seems to be the sweet spot. Now price is starting to move in our direction here, so what to do? If I break 40, I'm going to add in
order
a limit.
pending.
See if we can get an additional trade here. All right, we're getting
order
there.
filled.
So we're getting there now. Okay, so from 46, let's see, 56 is up in here. All right, now we're printing about a 10 tick, and I'm gonna go break even plus. Whoa, that's just getting too close, too quick. Okay, let me move this. Yeah, let's move. This price action is really good. Okay, let's see if we can get the most out of it. I want to get out on a one candle reversal on this trade, because we're showing a price explosion. Most likely we're going to start getting a big volume stepping in alignment with this, and then we could see if that gives us a little bit of an explosion on the downside. Okay, so around 30.25 I'm expecting a little bit of a price. Here we go. Come on, baby. All right. So what makes sense as far as trailing this? I want to start taking profits. 46 to 25.
Order pending.
26. Let's try to see if we can take a 20 tick on one, then let the rest kind of drift lower if we can get that working in our direction. So I want to lock in some profits at this level, because this is a price level or a price formation that is high probability for a reversal. So I need to be very careful, and I don't want to give too much back in the process of managing this trade. So 26.
Order canceled.
Here we go. We got a first signal. All right. So this is gonna follow it. Okay. I'm surprised that the full harmony is not back in with this trade, but let's see here. 31. So we hit 200 on one contract. I may get stopped out at 31 here. I hope not. I think I probably should put it at 35. Yeah, I may get stopped out here. Let's see if we can get a better price. Yeah, this is going to be a tricky spot. This is an exit point for me. 28 is my second exit point, but here this is going to be a field trade. I feel like the way price is behaving, I should give it a little bit more of room to come back down. I'm starting to get the full harmony online now. If that would be a premium condition for us to kind of drift lower. If we break 20, then the 46 10 to 20 would be a nice spot to kind of push for an exit. Yeah, we're coming too close to an even number. An even number, typically prices will at least touch it and bounce around a little bit, trying to get as many of the shorts covered before either they pull it back up or they continue on a downward momentum. So we're gonna keep looking, keep watching, keep listening to the market. So you see the 12 NT Rinko is disconnected. We got the 6 NT Rinko online. We got the aura clouds in that direction. We got the transitional zone above me. We got a full harmony, swift harmony. So, we're doing good on this trade. I mean, that's kind of the premium trades we're looking for. However, typically I like all of them to be aligned and also a trigger happening fairly shortly. So I wouldn't call this the most premium trades, but it's going to do for now. One thing that you'll notice, and that's something that you're going to see me talk about often, is I do not believe in support and resistance numbers. I think they're a figment of traders' imagination, and an understanding of real-time price movement and order flow is the best chance you have at understanding how price moves and how you can take advantage of it. The idea of support and resistance is based on the fact that people visited a price level a while back and it should be significant now, and you'll find that concept to be extremely frustrating to most traders, but they just keep believing in it because they just, for whatever reason, think that's the way to trade. Ultimately, I believe that a level that got visited in the past does not guarantee that will be visited in the same form or fashion this moment. Okay, and it doesn't increase your probability either way to think of it in those terms. Actually, it decreases your probability of executing a successful strategy. So I take that concept of support and resistance out of my calculation, and I only look at movement as it happens, and I read it tick by tick in the frame of harmony, and I do much better that way. All right, so now here we go, 2015. So let's see what we can do here. Now, if I start getting reversals, I'm gonna ship out, and if we get hit to 10, I'm gonna get out as well. Let me just push one more. I'll give you a little bit of a room here. This is looking like a beautiful trade. A full harmony at this signal at 20. So 20 is where my stop, 2022, 2 ticks above that. If we flip around it, then I'm out. Alright, so looking good. Okay, now we got the 12th. We got a good trade going on here. Okay, now I'm not expecting too much further out of that, but I'm going to listen to the market and see how it's going to behave. If I get a reversal candle here, I am out. I'll take what I can and I move away. So 14, 15, and I'll ship out. And most likely I'm going to get stopped out here. Then what would I do? I'm going to wait for a run up back to these levels filled and try to get out. Okay, so we got out at the 14. So here we go. We got a 20 tick, then we got, I think, about 36 ticks on this trade as well. So that's 56 ticks on this runner of a trade. Very good. I mean, this is a single, and we're looking for singles and doubles, and from time to time we'll hit a home run of 1 or 2 points on a trade. And this is a swift and a full harmony trade with expansion of price through the shadow trader that's supported by the aura clouds. Those are the kind of the factors and variables that I look at, and not necessarily what price level are we looking at. Yeah, look, we hit that and we came back down, but we're looking at an even number. So an even number on prices, typically some people react to that with emotions. So I need to kind of protect my profit coming to that emotional level. All right. Anyway, so I think I'm not going to put another trade here. I'm going to sit and wait and see for better setups. If we start popping up above the 20, 25, or start seeing price push, then a reversal, I may look into re-entering that trade. So that's an example of a harmony trade on a Friday, and hopefully you learned something new from this. And stay tuned to more videos. I'll be posting videos where it shows me long, shows me short, and also when not to be trading, and also expense trades. Okay, it doesn't work all the time, and when it doesn't work, how do you manage your risk? How do you keep yourself from paying too much to know a trade is not working? We'll be posting multiple videos coming up, and thank you for watching the Harmony System and the Holistic Trader Academy. Have a wonderful day.